how to add comment in Google Docs. So you come into your document and you read it and you enjoy it. Okay, for example, and you say, well, this is a little bit bad. Okay, this is not a good idea. Or you just change your mind and you review the document and you just want to change it back to something else. So you just can comment to someone. Okay, maybe you already someone shared this document to you using the share button, and then you wanted to have really review that, okay, and add a comment. For example, how to share it. Okay, let's go ahead with share. And once it's loaded, it'll give you a link where it's possible for you to view the link, and the person can edit that or review that and add a comment as well. So also there's a link and there's also send through the email. Let me try again. So there you go. I can right now type and add people in here, or I can give them a link. And then once I give the link or send to them, so then they can review a document and then they can add comment. For example, they can read it from here and they say, well, this looks really wrong on awful. So they can come in here or control with alt with M. So they hit in here and they can add a comment. For example, this one doesn't look good to me. So there you go, and they add comment, and right now there you go. And once the comment is done, so once the link is reverted and the owner will have it, okay, they will have the comment. So the owner of the document will come and they will visit this document and they'll say, well, there is a comment. And they say, well, and they can also reply it. And once also there's another way to delete it or link to this link to this comment as well. And of course they can resolve this as well. So that's it about the comment. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in another lecture.